Hello there, my name is Carlos Arteaga from Cisco Tech. Today, I will show you how to deploy a virtual secure firewall threat defense solution on Google Cloud Platform. For this example, we are going to work with an FTD on version 7.7.10. At least 4 VPC networks need to be created or assigned from already existing ones. 1 for management, 1 for diagnostics, and 2 for data plane interfaces. Let's get started. From the Google Cloud Platform navigation menu, we need to scroll down to the VPC network option and select it. Go to More Actions and click Create VPC Network. Give the new VPC a unique name. Create a new subnet by assigning a name to it. Then, select the region. Please note that the region must match the region where the FTD will be located as well. Type the desired IP range for the new subnet. Validate that the firewall rules match the requirements or configure new rules. For this example, the default ones are going to be used. Scroll down and click Create. This process has to be repeated for as many interfaces that the FTD is going to have, which is 3 times for this case. With all required VPCs configured, we can now proceed setting up the actual FTD. Head to the navigation menu again and scroll down to Marketplace. Search for Cisco Firewall on the search bar. Then, select the Cisco Firepower NGFW Virtual Firewall option. Click Launch. Give the instance a unique name. Select the desired software version for the FTD. Select the required zone, which must match the region where the subnets were created. Modify the VM resources as required. In this case, the default resources are going to be selected. On the networking section, select the VPCs and subnets that were earlier created. Validate that the firewall rules are correct to allow proper FTD management and click Deploy. Once the FTD resource is deployed, errors and alerts can be validated and fixed later. To access the console and see the installation process, go to the More Actions menu on the top right. Click Manage Resource. Then, click Serial Port 1 Console. Here, the FTD instance installation logs can be checked. Please note that the logs do not auto-refresh, so the refresh button needs to be clicked every now and then. Once the console shows a login prompt, it means that the FTD can be accessed via SSH to configure and manage it with either FMC or FDM. To check what IP addresses were assigned to the FTD, go to the left panel and click VM Instances. Click the recently created FTD. Scroll down to the Network Interfaces section, and then scroll to the right to see what IP address is assigned to each interface. This completes the desired configuration for this video. Thank you for watching.